Alright, it's your boy Moseefus, the 20 view king. Everything I do get 20 views. How y'all doing? Man, what we do? What we did? We did ASAP Rock, My Belly. We did Kill Bill backwards. That was pretty dope. That was the first time I ever heard Kill Bill. And I dealt with a Blossom and Mouse situation and Beats by Dre. Not by Dre, it's not by Dre no more, but Beats being bullshit because for some reason one of my headphones ain't working. So look, nigga got one side in. But whatever, man. We here, we trucking along. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the share, hit the comments. $sign Moseefus in the kid ass shop, and Moseefus on the Patreon. You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean. We gonna do another one or two on the shit of the duffel. Yesterday was pretty cool. Yesterday the hits popped up, yo. ASAP, Lil Peep. Who else was on yesterday? ASAP, Lil Peep, Cyber, and there was one more. It was Atmosphere. I'm like, wow. Hold on. Undead Papi and Torture. My nigga. They said Undead Papi and Torture. Damn, son, where'd you find this? I've heard Undead before. I heard Young Undead, bitch, I'm lousy as a corpse. They put me in my corpse, bitch, I know from my remorse. I think that's the same Undead. Unless that's Young Undead. Is there a Young Undead and an Undead Papi? That'd be sickening if there is. Alright, let's check this out, though. Undead Papi and Torture, No Talking. Produced by Treetop. Who is coming up with these names, man? They just playing with me now. I think y'all trolling. Y'all making up these shits on your own. There's plenty of shits on YouTube. Fuck with me. Personally. I'm the main player out here. Player one. Nah, this ain't Young Undead, bitch, I'm live here as a corpse. This shit ain't smooth like that at all. This is different. This is so smooth as shit.
On phone on my nigga, these niggas are drippin', they payin' the most on these fans while they sippin' the summer, no dressin', no black, I be drippin', my nigga, yo, these
So it's like, yo, everybody's like, yo, this niggas start rapping like 3-6 and Bone. It's kinda 3-6 and Bone, but it's not. Like they not flowing like Lord Infamous. They're not flowing like Busy and Crazy. That's the Migos. It's different. It's different styles.
On phone on my nigga, these niggas are drippin', they payin' the most on these fans while they sippin' the summer, no dressin', no black, I be drippin', my nigga, your tongue gon' be out the car taking, I'm grabbing it, chopping the bodies, be flippin', I'm catching you slippin', you run like a chicken, you talking that shit, I don't care that you kidding, you nigga.
Catching you slipping, you run like a chicken, that's the bit in the fucking the dick. Yeah, that's like three words. Catching you slipping, run like a chicken, pop the bit. On phone on my nigga, these niggas are drippin', they payin' the most on these fans while they sippin' the summer, no dressin', no black, I be drippin', my nigga, your tongue gon' be out the car taking, I'm grabbing that 3 words at the end.
Flippin', I'm catching you slippin', you run like a chicken,
run like a chicken.
Shit, I don't care that you kidding, you niggas
kidding.
Mad cause I'm winning, blessed
mad cause I'm winning.
Bitch, we ain't fucking, wasting my time, super bitch, you ain't nothing. I don't do favors, you bitch be bugging. Don't give a fuck that you bitches want something. Me and my nigga Undead in this bitch, we be killing this shit, yeah, we keeping it.
So the other guy's Undead. This is Torture.
Keeping that strap all tucking. Smoking that loud, be puffin'. Goofy ass hoe, I ain't coming. Lying to my face while these bitches be bluffing. Stupid ass, goofy ass nigga got me fucked up. Talking that shit, that motherfucker better run up. Fuck around and get your fucking house.
Okay.
Feeling like a bar, watch your fucking church burn up.
Torture?
My face, I with that talking, let it spray. What you got to say, you got to let it bang.
Yo, I don't want to hear this shit no more this time. Shut the fuck up, man. I'm done with this. I'm sorry, yo. I can't deal with that today. I can't deal with that this morning, man. My nerves is too bad for that. That was so. Yo, I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry. I haven't stopped a song in a long time. But that voice. Come on, man. Come on, man. Who told you put it together like that? Who told you to put the song together like that? Yo, it's making me mad. Yeah, fuck you. Alright, that was Undead Papi and Torture, No Talking. You should have done No Talking. Like, Torture cool. Torture I dealt with. You know what I mean? But that Undead Papi shit, like, I hope I don't got no more of him on this list. Cause that right there, like, come on, man. That shit's stupid. Alright, we can end that.